Hey guys, what is up and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video guys, what I will be telling you how to do is how you can share Instagram Reels or post them on your WhatsApp status. And it is a very simple and easy process guys. So let's get right into it. Uh, Now what you want to do to actually share the Instagram Reel to your WhatsApp status is to find the reel that you want to share. You can use either your reels or somebody else's. If you want to use your reels, you can locate them here. As you can see, enter your profile, get to the reels tab. You can view your drafts and finish them even if you want to, or enter your reel. Now what you can do by clicking on the down right button, the three dots, you can download the video and post it like that, or you can just share them and go down here to WhatsApp. Once you click on WhatsApp, a WhatsApp will open, and the first option you will have at the top is the WhatsApp status, so you can do it like that. However, there is one more way, and well, yeah, that's pretty much it. There isn't any other way as far as I know. That was my mistake. However, you use that for both your own reels and for others' reels. As you can see, this reel popped up. Click on the share button, go down here to this toolbar, I guess you could say, and locate WhatsApp. Click on it, and you will have the option to post it to your status without any problems. And that is pretty much it. Now, as you can see, you cannot download other people's reels, so you can only download your own, and that's just the disclaimer I wanted to tell you guys. So that would be it from me. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you guys in another video.